Go ahead. Mm-hmm.
What are the names of the two main plastic surgeons in the tech? Sean McNamara and Christian Troy. Sean McNamara and Christian Troy and Quentin Coaster. McNamara.
He tripping, y'all.
And Quentin Coaster.
A. Sean and Christian.
Yep. Alright. In which city is the McNamara Troy practice initially located? A. New York. B. Los Angeles. C. Miami. D. Chicago.
Miami.
Yeah, that's right. Who played the character Kimber Henry, the on and off love interest of Christian Troy? Kelly Carlson, Jolie Richardson, Julianne Moore, Rose McGowan.
A.
Kelly Carlson.
Yep. That's 3, right?
Yep. What is the name of Sean McNamara's wife? Julia, Kimber, Gina, Liz.
Julia.
Yeah, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
In which season does the Carver, a masked serial rapist, first appear? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
4.
2.
That soon? Okay, they got me on that one. Touche. Got one wrong.
What is the name of the transgender character who becomes romantically involved with McNamara? Cherry Peck, Ava Moore, Sophia Lopez, Alexis Stone.
Say B again.
Ava Moore.
Boom.
It is Cherry Peck.
No, it was 2 girls that transgender that he was talking to. And she was one of them. ChatGPT, run.
Which character suffers from agoraphobia and eventually becomes romantically involved with Christian Troy? Gina Russo, Kimber Henry,
Agoraphobia.
Michelle Landau, Michelle Wales.
Read the question again, because I'm
I think agoraphobia is when you can't leave the house.
Okay, so it's not when you scared of germs.
That's
something else.
Yeah, I can't think of it. But yeah.
Okay, so it said which character
suffers from agoraphobia.
Who couldn't leave the house?
And eventually becomes romantically involved with Christian Troy. Gina Russo, Kimber Henry, Michelle Landau, Michelle Wales.
I'm not sure on that one, so it's got to be C or D. So I'm gonna say C.
It was D. Michelle Wales. Who was revealed to be the Carver at the end of the storyline? Christian Troy, Quentin Costa, Ava Moore, McNamara.
B.
Yep. What profession does Julia McNamara pursue after her divorce from Sean? Nurse, psychologist, chef, plastic surgeon.
A. You want some?
Chef.
What? That was the first time. See, they get me confused. It be happening more than once.
Which famous actor guest starred as Escobar Gallardo A drug lord and reoccurring antagonist. Danny Trejo, Tony Plania, John Leguizamo, Robert Lasardo.
It's either A or D. So I'm gonna say D.
D? Yep, Robert Lasardo.
Only because it sounded familiar. Cool.
So you got Cherry Peck wrong.
I didn't do great.
Season 2 wrong. Chef wrong. You got 7 out of 10.
Got 7 out of 10 right on the Nip Tuck trivia. Only because they tricked me up on 2 of them. Because the situations happened more than once. So, cheers to ChatGPT and trivia.